lately this year, 2014, Makah tribal members in Neah Bay have been hearing some really weird noises in the woods. Nobody's seen what's making the noises. Presumably it could be a Sasquatch, but Catherine Thompson sent me a sound clip of some of these noises that she recorded on her cell phone, and I'll go ahead and play them for you now. Sound pretty weird. You can hear some car noises in the background. So this recording is pretty noisy. I'm going to go ahead and add some compression, equalization, and an adaptive noise cancellation, and we'll be able to hear these sounds a lot better now. So hearing these sounds has me pretty curious. Once the weather clears up, I think I want to go up there at night. It's when they're hearing the sounds with some video and recording equipment, and see if I can find anything myself.